The result is really shocking. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, let's do an experiment of making portable 12-volt soldering iron. For that, we need a 12-volt glow plug, wooden handle, female socket, male jack, wire, and a soldering tip. Let's begin the project by making a wooden handle. I was already having an old handle of file, so I am cutting it into required size. After cutting, let's make the hole in the center to fix the glow plug and the female socket. Before starting your own project, watch the video until end so that you can save some time and effort. Now, the glow plug and the female socket can perfectly fit on the handle. After making the hole, I have polished the handle. After polishing the handle, let's finish up the wiring. For wiring, I have randomly fitted the positive and negative. After finishing up the wiring, let's assemble this together. After finishing up the assembly, let's take the wire and connect this male jack to the wire. After connecting this, the other end of the wire will be connected to the 12-volt power supply. Let's use this 12-volt 10A power supply to test the result. As I told earlier, the positive and negative terminal is connected randomly. After connecting the male jack, let's switch on the power and check whether it is working. The result is really shocking. The soldering iron heats up very quickly and the temperature goes very high compared to normal soldering iron. Dear friends, before doing this project, I have watched many videos of making portable soldering iron using glow plug. But in my opinion, using glow plug for soldering iron can cause severe damage to electrical components that you are soldering. If you have any idea to reduce the temperature of the glow plug, please comment your opinion. If the video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. This is Vyshakh signing off. Thanks for watching.